It is the main body of the machine. All main components are bolted on it. It is usually made by cast iron due to its high compressive strength and high lubrication quality. It is made by casting process and bolting on floor space. It is bolted on the carriage. It is used to hold the tool at correct position to hold the point on it. Choke is used to hold the workpiece. It is the bolt on the spindle which rotates the choke and work the piece. It is for you and 3U according to requirement of machine. Headstock is a main body part which are placed at left side of bed. It is served as holding device for the gear, chain spindle, driving pulley, etc. It is also made by cast iron. Tailstock situated on bed. It is placed at right hand side of the bed. The main function on tailstock to support the job when required. It is also used to perform dribbling operation. Lead screw is situated at the bottom side of bed which is used to move the carriage automatic during thread cutting. Leads are used to curry all the loops of the machine. They are bolted on the floor which prevents vibration. It is situated between the headstock and tailstock. It is used to hold and move the tool posed on the bed vertically and horizontally. It slides on the weight carriage is made by cast iron. It is situated on the carriage. It consists of controlling and moving mechanism of carriage. Chip store is placed lower side of bed. The main function of it to clear all chips removed by the workpiece. Wide ways take care of movement of tailstock and carriage of bed. A speed controller switch is situated on headstock which controls the speed of spindle. It is the main part of lathe which holds and rotates the chuck. Feed rod is a Pager transmission mechanic which provides precise longitudinal movement of the carriage. For turning operation, movement of the feed rod is mandatory. In some lathes, feed may not be available and lead screw serve the purpose of the feed rod. It is the mounted on the transverse carriage and can be turned at any horizontal angle to the edges of the lathe to machine velvets and cones. Now remember these 5 things that you shouldn't do when you are using this machine. Don't lay tools directly on the lathe weights. If separating table is not available, use a whiteboard with a clip on each side to lay on the weight. Don't change spindle speed until the lathe comes to a complete stop. Don't wear rings, watches, or shirt sleeves to the grip when you are using the machine. Okay guys, that's all. Thanks for watching.